Hello, welcome to another book of the day. Today's book is Charlotte the Scientist is Squished. The author of this book is Camille Andrews and is illustrated by Brienne Farley. Maybe you're feeling a bit squished at home by all your family members, everyone working from home, everyone talking while you're doing your classwork. Well, Charlotte feels that way too. She understands you because she has a large family that gets on the way of her doing all her science experiments. But she's a scientist after all, and by following the scientific method, she finds a solution to her problem. Let's look at the story. I am reading from an ebook. Charlotte was a serious scientist. Protective glasses, a lab coat, and a magnifying glass were her essential scientific equipment, plus a clipboard for important notes. Charlotte solved problems by conducting experiments that followed the scientific method. And Charlotte had a problem. She was squished. She was squished at the table, she was squished in the tub, and sometimes she was squished on the toilet. It had become impossible to conduct her experiments. Her test tubes were taken, her beakers got broken, and her specimens were spoiled. Charlotte needed some space, time to use the scientific method. Step 1. Ask a question. How can I get some space around here? Step 2. Form a hypothesis. Hypothesis. If I can get rid of my brothers and sisters, I will have room to be a real scientist. Step 3. Test the hypothesis. Experiment. She tried an experiment to make everyone disappear. Vanishing experiment. But it did not work. She tried another experiment to make herself disappear. But it didn't work either. Bang, clang, boom, keep out. If she was going to get some space, she would have to go there. And she does by following the scientific method. Now, if you want to find out what happens to Charlotte, check out the story of Charlotte the Scientist Gets Squished. It's a great story and it's a lot of fun. Happy reading, everyone.